Hey guys, Wellness Wednesday again, and welcome back to Oilers Helping Oilers. Now, right now we are in a totally crazy time, aren't we? I mean, this COVID-19 is just, it's overwhelming for a lot of us. And a lot of stores are out of hand sanitizer. So I thought I would jump on and just give you a DIY recipe for hand sanitizer. Yes, of course, we're gonna use some Young Living essential oils because they're the best. So I'm going to put a card up at the end just with the full recipe on it, and I will just tell you how to do it. It's really simple. So what you can do, make sure you've got like 1 ounce bottles, right? So that you can fill them up, and just make them squeeze bottles so that you can just squeeze in your hands, much like the Thieves hand sanitizer that we know and love. And sadly, they've been out, at least in Canada, they're still out of it. So you can do this. Ready? Okay, so we are going to take 1/3 cup of plain aloe vera, not the green colored stuff, just the clear aloe vera as it comes out the plant, right? So clear, plain aloe vera, 1/3 cup, 2/3 cup of isopropyl alcohol, and put in a teaspoon of jojoba just to help with the dryness of the alcohol on your hands. It'll really help, just the jojoba oil. And then 20 drops of Thieves and 20 drops of peppermint. Mix that all up in a bowl and then pour it into your 1 ounce bottles. It's actually a really good, easy fix, and I think it'll find a lot of you being able to have hand sanitizer in your house again, because it's so important with everything that's going on. I'm up in Canada and we're going on week 3 or 4, I don't even know now, of self-isolation. Right? They won't say the word quarantine because you can still go to the stores and pick up groceries. I personally wear a glove and mask when I go out to the stores, because if I don't get you sick because I'm wearing a mask, maybe you could do the same and try not to get everyone else sick, right? Just wear a mask. Just do it. It's not that bad. It's kind of a new fashion thing. You can even make your own with cute little patterns on it and whatnot. Just do it. Just do it. And gloves are really helpful too. You can get the disposable ones. We'll put Thieves hands, like the spray, on mine and just wipe them down first, and then I'll go out and I cover myself in Thieves. Just why not? It worked during the bubonic plague. Let's give it a go on this craziness that we have going on. Okay, so I hope this finds you well. This is a short video this week, but I bet a lot of you want to go off and go make that hand sanitizer now, and I don't blame you. All right, here comes the card. Okay, so you guys stay safe, stay well, and don't forget to like and subscribe this. If you like what I'm doing, because I sure do, please subscribe and give a shout out, because it's like, woo, yay, I like what Jax is doing, because I totally appreciate it. Just keeps me going. And until next time, as always, stay safe and happy oiling.